If you're looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability and great looks, this is the vehicle for you. Right here we have a 2023 Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in Diamond Black Pearl. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control with auto stop start, drowsy driver detection, 21-inch aluminum wheels, advanced ProTech package, night vision, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 4,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a 10.1-inch video display with navigation, a rear backup camera system, luxury tech package, heated and ventilated rear seats, a dual pane panoramic sunroof. It does have a rear entertainment system, power liftgate, and it comes with a 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine. This vehicle has it all, folks. 3 rows for the family. Come and check it out. Visit us online at marinocjd.com. Search stock number D6790.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.